So guys, Cristiano Ronaldo has created record by coming on YouTube. Football and Cristiano Ronaldo start his YouTube channel yesterday. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. The first record was the fastest YouTube channel. It hit 1 million subscriber in 89 minutes. The second record was created for the fastest YouTube channel to gain 1 million subscriber in 47 minutes. Third YouTube channel to hit 1 lakh subscriber in 22 minutes. And his channel had 1.7 million subscriber in just 1 hour. And not even 24 hours had passed when his channel crossed 14 million subscribers. Within 24 hours, 10 to 12 videos had also been posted on his channel, and there are good views on all of them. Some have 2 million, some have 4 million, and some have 8 million views. With Cristiano Ronaldo got his golden play button from YouTube within 15 hours because that is a record in itself. His diamond play button, which is available on 10 million subscribers, is also going to be seen soon. On the other hand, many people are comparing Cristiano Ronaldo with Mr. Beast. Ronaldo did this within just 24 hours to reach 10 million subscribers. Also given is the speed of Cristiano Ronaldo. He is a fan and will commenting below his video writing, "Ronaldo, you just started YouTube channel. Can we please collab? I love you and good luck to your channel." What do you think? How many days will it take for Cristiano Ronaldo to reach Mr. Beast? Do tell your opinion by commenting. Just like this video. Till then, in the next video, take care.